Hi guys, welcome to Jane Sees the World. Today I'm going to do a little product review on a airplane foot hammock. It's going to be good times. Hi there, welcome to Jane Sees the World. We're just a couple of average gals who love to see and explore the world. We have limited vacation time, so we have to make the most of every day and every dollar. If that sounds familiar to you, go ahead and subscribe. Today, I'm doing a little product review of a airplane foot hammock. This is a strange thing. I'd seen it on a couple of reviews, some travel blogs, and then actually my mom got R&I one for Christmas to try out. And I have to say it turned out to be one of my favorite products that I tried in 2018. If you've ever flown on Turkish Airlines, they have these little like footstools. They're not much, but you'd be surprised at how just the ability to move your feet up, your legs up and down a couple of inches throughout a flight can really make a 10-hour flight a little bit nicer. I was a big fan. So the idea that I could create my own on airplanes that didn't have that was very appealing. A great thing about this is that it's affordable. You can get one off Amazon. I'll put a link down for you. Also, it is super lightweight. This isn't going to take up any room in your bag, so you're not going to mind that you have it as you're going along. It rolls up real easy like. And then there's this little bag, and you just kind of, shove it into this little bag, and that's what you carry it around in. So then when you get on your flight, you just unwrap it, and then you put this part over your tray. And it works with the tray up or down. I will say when the tray's down, it kind of drops it down a couple inches, which isn't necessarily a problem. You can adjust it like so, if you like it a little higher, a little lower. I just like the change of pace, after sitting there for so long, and you can get up and you can go to the bathroom, but it's just nice to kind of put your feet up a little bit, swing those legs back and forth. I am a huge fan. I highly recommend if you're getting ready to go on a long flight, you might as well try it out. It's affordable, it's lightweight, and it can really make a difference in your flight. So if you've used one of these, let us know. I'd love to hear about it.